Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to file Cash App taxes on TurboTax or TurboTax TurboTax CVS. So first of all, go ahead and open up in your browser and basically scroll a little bit down right here. And if you want to upload Cash App to TurboTax, basically, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the federal wages and income, your income and investment in savings, click start, and then revisit your right of stocks, cryptocurrency, and all that. And what you're gonna do, mutual funds, bonds, and others, click add investment, and at the screen you will import your tax info and then enter a different way. So basically, if you want to add a TurboTax CVS, you're gonna be able to go to the federal wages and income, and as we said before, your income, investment, and savings, you can fill it in, and then click start and revisit the right of stocks, cryptocurrencies, and then mutual funds, bonds, other, and then click add investments. At the screen, let's import your tax info and then enter a different way. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.